Hello and welcome. I'm Dr. Mark Brandon, an associate professor at the School of Medicine and the Department of Psychiatry at the Douglas Hospital Research Center at McGill University. As a neuroscientist, my research explores the intricate processes of memory, how we encode, process, and retrieve the vast array of experiences that form our lives. Today, I'm excited to present another installment of our publication series. This platform allows us to bring groundbreaking neuroscience research directly to you, whether you're a fellow scientist or simply fascinated by the complexities of the brain. Our goal is to make the intricate world of brain science both accessible and engaging. In this episode, we focus on a pivotal study from 2022, conducted by Dr. Johnson Ying during his PhD and published in Nature Communications. The study is titled Disruption of the Grid Cell Network in a Mouse Model of Early Alzheimer's Disease. This research investigates how early Alzheimer's disease affects the brain's ability to navigate space, a critical aspect of memory that's often taken for granted. Our brains have specialized neurons called grid cells, located in the medial entorhinal cortex, that help us understand where we are in space. These cells generate a kind of mental GPS system. Our study used a J20 transgenic mouse model of Alzheimer's disease to observe how these grid cells behave at the earliest stages of Alzheimer's, marked by the buildup of amyloid beta proteins. The findings were clear. As Alzheimer's pathology developed, the grid cells showed reduced spatial periodicity and stability, meaning they became less precise in mapping out space. This impairment was evident before the widespread formation of amyloid plaques, a hallmark of Alzheimer's disease. Interestingly, other types of spatial cells, like place cells in the hippocampus, initially remained unaffected despite these changes. Our work underscores the sensitivity of grid cells to early Alzheimer's pathology and correlates these cellular disruptions with decreased performance in spatial memory tasks. This suggests that grid cells could serve as an early biomarker for Alzheimer's disease, potentially leading to earlier diagnosis and intervention. What's profound here is the implication of this study for understanding Alzheimer's disease. It highlights a specific neural circuit component, grid cells, as being particularly vulnerable to early disease processes. This opens up new avenues for targeted therapies that might protect or repair the navigation system in the brain. Thank you for joining us today as we explore these crucial insights into how Alzheimer's disease begins to affect the brain. Stay tuned for more episodes where we'll continue to decode the mysteries of neuroscience and their implications for understanding and treating brain disorders.